Сәлем достар, сіздермен бірге мен Рейчел және де Minecraft Story Mode.
So ready.
This year, it's going to be different. I'm not just ready to build. I'm ready to win.
Nice pig, losers. Oh, great. There's Lucas and the Ocelots. The rivalry continues.
Man, they've got matching leather jackets and everything.
So cool.
Well. If it isn't the order of the losers.
Great. The fail squad's here.
Lucas, get a load of these losers. Let's go, guys.
Name, please?
Axel, and how do you do?
No, your team name.
Team name. We are not ready for this.
So much for losing anonymously.
Смертники края.
We're the Dead Enders. Whoa. Sounds like a name for pirates.
It's cool.
Okay, Dead Enders. You guys are in booth 5.
Так. Sandıkta ne var?
Nope.
Tak.
Man, it's crowded. I don't like the look of this.
Маған да ұнап тұрған жоқ.
It's like everyone in town is here. That right there is a limited edition.
Кешіріңіздер. Бұл жерде ұтуымыз керекпіз. Freaking beacon.
Freaking beacon?
That's stained glass. They aren't just building a beacon. They're building a rainbow beacon. We're gonna lose.
Уайымдама, бізде бәрі болады.
What are you worried about? We've got this.
Who are we kidding? We've got nothing.
We've got a mascot.
We should probably stop staring at them. Look, it's the Order of the Losers again.
Good one, Gil.
We're just looking.
There'll be plenty of time for you all to look at it after it wins and gets shown at EnderCon.
You're being unpleasant.
Maybe not all of you. EnderCon doesn't allow outside food or drink.
Gidiyor.
Talking about your pig.
Ağzını yap.
Shut up.
What's that?
Jesse said, shut up. Do you need to hear it again?
I don't know. Maybe.
Stop wasting your time, Aiden. We've got work to do.
You're lucky I'm busy.
Hey, Jesse. Guys. Hey, Pet. How's the bill going?
Only time will tell, but we're optimistic.
Hey, Petra. I forgot to thank you for that Nether Star.
Hey, Lucas. Not a problem.
Help these fools.
For the right price, I'll help anyone. If you need anything, you know where to find me.
None of us know where to find you.
Exactly.
No hard feelings, guys. If you're cool with Petra, you're cool with us. So why don't we just forget about all this and,
İyi
make this
maqta
about
da
how cool
mutadı.
our builds are.
May the best team win.
Careful what you wish for.
We'll see about that.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the EnderCon building competition. The winners of this year's competition will have their build featured at EnderCon. The winners will also meet in person Gabriel the Warrior.
Whoa, handshake? We don't have a handshake.
We'll just make one up.
Так.
We'll call it the
Точек строителя.
Builder Bump.
just stick to the plan and everything will be fine. This year, the Dead Enders can't lose.
Let's do it.
Building starts now.
ما partimiz a Saturn ora.
Oh no! A fireworks dispenser! I'm so scared.
Gitti ver.
Don't worry about your build. We'll worry about ours.
Bir dedi Enderman. Enderman qanday yo'q ekan? Ha, Creeper ekan bu. Normal. Biroq men odan da kuchli soat edimi?
Now, the moment of truth.
Here goes nothing.
Oh man, that looks so cool. We'll win this for sure.
The creeper was definitely the right way to go.
Biz attık.
Guys, people are looking at us.
Good build, man!
Damn man.
Wait. It's just a bunch of died wolves.
Театрно.
Whoops.
Нагой.
Fire! No, come back!
The lava's getting closer.
Nör. Aydan
We've got to do something.
Сендер қалын.
Build is about to go up in flames.
Өзім барам.
You guys stay and save the build.
On it.
We've got it covered, Jesse. Be careful. We'll meet up with you at EnderCon.
The new kid on the block. En kayda
Ruben, where are you? Just give me an oink if you can hear me.
Ana Minecraft'ta da şoşkan жоғалтып алдық. Мына Minecraft'ta da şoşkan жоғалтып алдық.
Ruben? Pig tracks.
Gittik.
Ruben, I don't want to be out here in the
Marco.
dark.
Markop'ta al.
I hear some pigs. Ruben? These definitely belong to a pig. No way Ruben made these on his own.
Мен өзі Розаны жоғалтқанмын, бірақ сені жоғалтпаймын, Рубен жоқ.
Hey, Ruben. I got a carrot for you. Where are you, buddy?
Кеттік. Зик. Мына жақта не?
Ruben, are you in there? Ruben? No, not you, but pigs. Hey, all pigs but Ruben, shut up.
Ой, шишку-то.
Ruben, it's getting scary out here.
Шыда түз, шыда тағы.
Ruben? Oh no, you in there, buddy?
Ол емес.
Oh, jeez, please don't be toasted, Ruben.
Мә. Іздейік ары қарай. Айналып барайық. Құтаған
There you
өзі.
are. Hey, buddy, you want a carrot?
Сені
So
көргеніме
happy to
қуаныштымын.
see you.
Біліп едім. Зомбисіз Майнкрафт болмайды.
I think we're good.
Уа,
I think we made it.
айтпа өйтіп. Экшн. Ва, серьезно. Üzüldüm ama.
Stay behind me. I got you.
Ne. Tik, ikiden birde. Kız. Ne? O, sıkıntı.
Stupid wooden sword. I know it's bad. I'll think of something.
Kaş.
You're gonna have to make a run for it, okay? I'll meet you back in town, I promise. Get out of here now! Get off me!
О.
Come on, let's get out of the open.
Sağ ol. Ал жалғасын келесі видеодан көре аласыз. Сіздермен бірге болған мен Рейд Шоу және де Майнкрафт Story Mod. Сау болыңыз.